Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rosendo, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on the 69 that we're working on the channel. Let's get to it. Well, let's see if the truck starts. We've had some really freezing nights, below freezing. Let's check out, see how the Dakota digital gauges look. Wow. Started right up. Nice. That's how it's supposed to start. Fuel injection. 5.3. Wow. Well, we're back, and we're with the Purple Passion today, the 69 Chevy C10 on the channel, my brother-in-law's truck. If you watch some of the past videos, you know all the things we've done to it lately in the past few months. And it's primered now, so that's one of the updates. It's all in primer. That hole it had here for the antenna and all that, that was always full of water. It's fixed. No more. It's all primered. All the body work's done. It's ready for paint. Just a little sanding down and get it all. He's gonna go back with purple. It's gonna look nice. There's a few things we want to do. We're not done back here. Now we were going to the store a couple months back, and we got stopped, pulled over. His bed has two lights at the very bottom. They're like down here. And I've followed them in my truck before, and I can see the lights, but we got pulled over and they said that they couldn't see the lights very well. Could be dangerous. So he went ahead and bought these. He bought these, which my brother-in-law just put them on there. They're just temporarily on there. Wired it. I just wired it, put some tape. That's not how we wire things, but for now, just so he could have it, we grounded it. Just so he could drive it around town. You know how I am if you watch the channel. I'm not big on just parking your car for too long. So he been driving it. What we're gonna do on the bed, we're gonna leave the two on the bottom, and we're gonna add these on the sides. And we're gonna connect them all together. That way there's 4 lights. Maybe it'd be easier to see. Not sure. We're gonna try it for now. We're gonna put these on the bed, wire them, and then we're gonna wire them, properly. We're gonna heat shrink stuff and get it all nice and neat. Now, the sensor here for the fuel gauge, it has not been working very well. It works and then it doesn't work. So it's kind of weird, but I'm thinking it's because there's a piece of rubber between the tank and the frame. And that's so it doesn't make any noises, doesn't squeak, that kind of thing, which is good. But it's not properly grounded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this ground wire here, and I'm going to do exactly like we did with the pump. My buddy, he grounded it here. Efren happened to be here that day. He grounded it, and then the pump worked, cranked right up. It wasn't working. So we're going to do the same thing with the sensor. Just going to find the ground and ground it. So that way the fuel gauge works good. Also, we need to connect the vent. I hate for it to just be open. We're going to connect the vent and properly get it all situated with the bed. We are also going to replace this gasket here on the differential. See, it's full of oil everywhere, or gear lube. And we're going to take it apart. My brother-in-law already has the gasket, the new one. We're going to replace it, fill it back up. That way that's good to go. And man, that's about where we're at on it right now. The reason he's waiting on the paint, he's going to drive it around primered like this for a little bit, because paint and materials are expensive right now. Everything's so high. So for now, he's going to drive it this way. When he gets everything ready to go, he's going to buy all the stuff, and not sure if he's going to get someone to paint it or if we're just going to paint it ourselves. And we are not painters. That's what's been kind of holding us back. If we were painters, we would have already done it. Just got it done. But we're not painters. So we might end up shooting it ourselves. We might get someone to shoot it. Not sure. That's my brother-in-law's truck. So his call, you know, whatever he decides. But that's the update right now. On the inside, still purple. On the inside looks good. The purple looks good. I mean, it's nice. Dakota digital gauges. We've done some updates. If you haven't watched them videos, go check it out. Just wanted to give a quick update on the Chevy C10. People have been asking, and here it is. It's already primered. It's good to go. So we're gonna get the bed on there, try to connect the lights, get everything situated, and he's probably gonna drive it like that for a little bit and just get it on the road, keep it on the road. That's our plan. And then when he's ready, we'll shoot it. We've been with snow on the ground for quite a bit of days already. Just wanted to give everybody an update on this nice, beautiful C10 Purple Passion. And it's going to continue to be purple, so it'll still be Purple Passion. Hopefully we can get the bed back on so my brother-in-law can just keep it on the road for now. Appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate all the support. If you haven't liked, commented, go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel. That way you know when we upload some new videos, they'll be there. So see you on the next video. Appreciate everybody. While we're out here making this video, I'd like to give a special thanks to 3 of my subscribers, which I've seen them commenting on a lot of my latest videos, a lot of them, and I'm excited to thank these guys. One of them is Barry Allen 4294 from Canada. It's always a nice comment. I really appreciate that. Forever C10 Rico, he's from Florida, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. He's also very positive on all the comments that he leaves on the channel on Cutlass Vibes. Appreciate you. And then we have TK421 Upgrade 3, which his name is Eric, and I believe he's from Minnesota. Also been commenting a lot. It's always positive. I appreciate you. You 3 are my top guys commenting on all my last videos, so I appreciate you very much.